found another app that supposedly pays you to do in-store tasks. Today I'm testing one out at the Home Depot to see if it's actually worth it. This app is called Moby, and then there'll be a map or a list of jobs, and then you could go there and do it. You can't reserve these, so I've went to a couple and then they disappeared, but this isn't as popular as other apps that are similar, like Field Agent and Survey Merchandisers, so a lot of the gigs will stay for many days. It'll pay from about 4 to 6. This one is at Home Depot for 4, so let's go. I'm heading to Home Depot. Now, obviously, it only makes sense if you're actually going to these stores or if you're going to be passing by, because obviously $4 is not really a lot of money to go leave your house to do this. But I was already out doing Uber Eats, DoorDash, and Field Agent, so when I saw this pop up at the Home Depot, I took it. So now I'm at Home Depot. This one is for home thermostats. It's called Sweater Weather. They have like these funny names for the gigs. And then it's at Home Depot, and I have to go find the HVAC section and take a picture of the home thermostats. So I've done a lot of Field Agent gigs involving the smart home thermostats like the Nest and the ecobee. So I knew exactly where it was and I knew what to be looking for. Once you start doing a lot of these, you'll start to memorize the inside of the stores, because these stores are huge warehouses, and if you're walking back and forth, it could take too long, and then it definitely won't be worth it. So this one's paying $4. They pay in gift cards, but you could cash out a Visa gift card and put it in your phone's wallet. So it's basically like cash. I use it to pay for my gas and food and stuff, and then the money I make from the other apps that actually pay cash, I try to use those for my investments. So now I'm over here in the HVAC aisle. So now the first question, it wants a picture of this whole display showing these smart home thermostats. So I got that picture, and now it's going to ask individual questions about the ecobee display. So that you're going to find a lot of these. I've done ones for like speakers. Now it's going to ask you if the ecobee premium is there. So now you're going to find it, and then if you see it there, it wants like a picture of the whole display. So I'm going there, again, a picture of the whole display. Make sure your pictures are clear. Make sure you follow the directions, because if you do something wrong or take a picture that's not clear, then your job gets denied, and then it's definitely not worth it. So the next question was to take a picture of the actual product. Now it wants to know if there's a demo display. So if it's powered on, if there's any damage. So this one was powered on. I think it was actually damaged, so I answered yes for damaged. So now the next questions are going to be about like the price tag. It wants to know if the device card is there. I think the reason they ask for these is because the companies that have these displays, they pay a lot of money to have the displays a certain way. So instead of sending someone on a plane from corporate, they have us go there that are already near the store. So I wanted to know if there was like a security device on it. So there was that little white thing that was a security device. So I answered yes. And then now there's just a bunch of other questions asking about the other products, if they're on, if they're powered on. Seriously, this was like this most simple thing I could have done, and it took less than 5 minutes to complete the whole thing. One thing to know, when you're done with these gigs, make sure they upload fully. A lot of times they'll be done, I'll press upload, and then I'll walk back to my car, and then I'll notice like an hour later that it wasn't uploaded, and then you don't get paid. So was it worth it? I think it definitely was. For the time spent and the money made, it was definitely worth it. Difficulty, it was super easy. All the questions were easy. I didn't have to look around. I didn't have to walk around the store. Everything was close by. Would I do it again? I would definitely do it again if I was passing by or already out doing gigs. And if you want to see me compare all of my favorite gig apps, check out this video over here.